Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore interest-only loan evaluation with Bank of the West, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To restore interest-only loan evaluation with Bank of the West, start by gathering all necessary financial documentation. Ensure you have your loan account number readily available. Visit the Bank of the West website and navigate to the Loan Services section. Look for the option related to interest-only loan evaluations. Contact customer service through the provided phone number or online chat feature. Prepare to explain your current financial situation and reasons for the evaluation restoration. Request specific details about the restoration process from the representative. Inquire about any required documents or information you must submit. Complete any forms as directed by the customer service representative. Ensure that you have recent pay stubs, tax returns, and any other financial statements ready for submission. Submit your documentation to the designated email address or online portal. Monitor the status of your request by regularly checking your email or logging into your Bank of the West account. If you do not receive updates within the timeframe provided, follow up with customer service. Be prepared to answer additional financial questions if requested by the bank. Once your request is processed, review the new loan terms thoroughly. If everything meets your approval, confirm the acceptance of the updated interest-only loan arrangement with the bank. Keep a copy of all correspondence and documentation related to your evaluation restoration for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.